All right, well, you see this little fish here? It's a little rubber fish. And this is how it looks. And Emerita bought this for Lucky to play with. So I'm gonna go into Lucky's little area and we're gonna put the fish on the floor. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Okay? Okay. So, hello Lucky. How are you doing, boy? Good boy. Lucky, you know what this is? This is your little friend. Here. Check it out. This is what he does. He looks at it. Doesn't know how to handle it. He getting wind up now. Take a look at it. Good boy. Yeah. Play with your toy. I don't know what goes on with him. This ain't nothing. Good boy. Play with your buddy there. I don't know, there's something about the way that fish look. So I don't know what he's waiting for, but anyway. Oh my God. What is it? Alright, I'm gonna end this here. I'm gonna pick up the fish because it's, I don't know if this is healthy for him. Alright.